surprised they haven't got barriers here.
I know, I'm surprised too. They've got it down there, but...
Oh, that's to do with the loop.
Sorry?
Down there, that's to do with the loop.
Well, that one there I thought was they put that there maybe as it was starting to come up, but...
I don't know, but they need to pay a little bit more attention, I think.
I think so. It's just... I mean, I run the football club, so I went in to try and lift up some stuff off the floor, but it's already reaching the gym.
I don't understand. I've lived here for a long time, so I've got a good idea of how it works.
Oh, that's it. Look, I've been around the area. I grew up in Cabramatta West, so
Oh, yes.
I've been around for a long time too, but three times in 1 year. That's a bit crazy, isn't it?
It's not the sort of rainfall, it's different as well.
Yes, absolutely.
And that's why, the effects are being quite different.
Oh, yeah.
It's affecting different
And
places.
how quickly it came up. To us, because we played games here yesterday. We had games all here yesterday, and it was only I live at Broomfield, so the temperature was already up. And I was like, really? How quickly?
Oh, it's really
And as I came around Warwick Farm, I saw all the backfields there already done, and I went, oh no, we've got over again already.
No games
24
today.
hours. Honestly, we picked up here yesterday afternoon at 4 o'clock. We could still see the field. Now it's a river like this.
Unbelievable. Look at that car down there. Who's that from?
I don't know.
It's all over the footpath. My goodness me.
It's just everywhere. Crazy.
It is. I'll be putting this on YouTube. Do you mind being on it? Do you?
No, I'm all good.
Okay.